Hi guys. I wanted to bring to your guys' attention something that we talk about here at Brady Instruments pretty often, and that is our analog items compared to digital items, such as refractometers and your digital temperature sensors and things like that. Just so you know, when people design items, they have a certain element called planned obsolescence, and that's where they'll engineer a limiting factor into a device, so when that device, that limiting factor fails, the device actually fails and you're required to either get a brand new one or come up with the newest, greatest item to replace it. In our industry, we try so hard to try to give you an item that lasts forever. We try to give you something that's going to be accurate from the day you buy it till the day you break it or lose it or whatever happens. And it's just one of those things that in our industry we take very seriously. And no matter what you buy these days, you'll see that. And if you look, now that I mentioned that, you look and you'll see if you buy a cell phone, eventually the battery dies and then there's the new one going to replace it. With a hydrometer, a glass hydrometer, it's a very simple design. It's something that you can take, and as long as you keep it safe, use a rack system such as the ones we sell, or just put it away, very diligent, wash it very carefully and not break it. These are all the techniques which they've been lost these days, you know. If we can take these techniques and try to regain them and get people to just not think it's a throwaway item, to actually realize that these things take great care to make. If you take the time and do this, you'll wind up putting your hydrometer away over and over and over again, rather than having its battery die or having it be replaced by the newer model and it doesn't work or connect with the computer properly to just keep functioning. So this is basically just to talk about the analog nature of our hydrometers and how really they are long-term. So one of those things, take it into consideration next time you buy a device to measure your beer or your wine or your distilled spirits. Thanks for listening.